Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. We are anticipating a huge price action for the crypto in the next 1 to 2 days. Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You're going to take easy profits trading 200 altcoins, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance, educational videos, and many other benefits. The best crypto trading system in the crypto market. Let's go right now and see what BTC is going to do, the bullish and the bearish news. First of all, I'm going to start a little bit with an indicator that it has been doing pretty fantastic and no one mentions linear regression channel. Let's see a little bit right here into the settings. You should be having the 100 days length. And of course, the source should be close. Okay, so we are seeing that whenever we are approaching the top line of the blue line of the blue side, actually the blue line of the blue side right here, the top here, we are having a correction here as well, one time, two times right here. Okay, we didn't manage to make it, but I will tell you why we corrected 3 times. And we are comparing this with the commodity channel index. Whenever we had an overbought situation with the commodity channel index, we should be going down. Now whenever we weren't near the blue line, like here, you can see that we had a correction, but we were just preparing for something bigger. Like here, for example, the sideways action and the price pump. This is one bearish sign. The next bearish sign is I'm going to just remove a little bit for now here. I'm going to go to the 4-hour frame and a little bit in the lower time frames. You can see that BTC might be having something like a head and shoulders pattern, but at the end of the day, in the lower time frames, we are forming a possible bearish pennant. Okay, possible bearish pennant formation coming in, and we are going to know it pretty soon enough. Whether this lower high formation with higher lows, lower highs right here, you can see it is a bearish pennant. Could be the case that it is a neutral triangle, but it has less chances, more chances that it is a bearish pennant and we are going to go down. But there is one bullish thing as well, which I want to mention, and this is here. Okay, the bullish part out of everything is a possible bullish pennant pattern, and this is where I want to stand right now, because many people are not seeing this, but at the end of the day, we keep having some lower highs, higher lows. Now, if I were strict into the price analysis, I would say that this is not a bullish pennant. We have here this one, and this could be a rising wedge in an uptrend, which means that it is a little bit of a huge bearish signal, bearish alert right here for BTC. Anyway, for the time being, you can see that if I am not so strict to the top trend lines and I'm using a little bit, I am just actually biased, I would say, then we maybe have formed right here a bullish pennant. Okay, and this is though the only bullish thing I can see, because if we go to the daily frame right here and we go to the RSI, you can see that we had a mini bearish RSI divergence back here. We avoided having a bullish pennant formation in the RSI. We still have a huge risk with the commodity channel index, huge risk with the Fisher transform as well. So yeah, everything is going opposed against this bullish pennant right here. But I have to mention that because, sometimes in the crypto market, we are all actually, not prepared for something against what we expect. Okay, so I am prepared a little bit. Maybe this is a bullish pennant, but for the time being, it looks like we are going to have a huge price action to the downside. I'm going to have a little bit of a support levels right here, and I'm going to give the resistance levels as well. So the first support level we should be looking at in the 4-hour frame is this one right now, the 20.1k, maybe to 19.8k as well into the next days coming. Okay, these are the major support levels right now for BTC. And of course, around this area, 19.8k, we're going to be having a mini buying pressure going to the upside. But in overall, it could be a fake out. If I take the weekly frame right here, and you will see that we are forming a bearish pennant or a descending triangle. Okay, I have repeated that multiple times in the videos. If you're a new viewer, you are listening to it first. We had a bearish pennant formation, and this should be, I'm saying, a fake out. Okay, it should be a fake out towards the upside, but in the meantime, we are going to go further down. Anyway, for the time being, I want to see a little bit more of a price action until I'm pretty certain what we are going to do. Are we going to crash down? The most probable scenario, as we talked about, it is to crash down all the way. But right now, for the time being, the price is going hugely sideways. Okay, and this could be also the case that something good is going to happen. But for my opinion, for my taste right here, I think that we are going to go probably further down. Now, what are the chances to go further higher? For example, what are the chances that we go all the way up? We need to close above this line right here, the 20.9k, because until we close above this line, everything could be a fake out, okay? Even if we had an upturn right here, if we stop around this level, then we are going to go further down, and this should be a fake out. Okay, we have to close above the 20.9k in the 4-hour frame or the daily frame. And then, yes, I am going to admit that we are going to go and have a huge bull pressure, maybe towards the 21.5k, maybe even higher. But this is the only case right here. We need to close above the 20.9k. Else, we are going to just face the 19.8k support level. Okay, we are going to drop down there, and from there a mini buying pressure, and probably then the same story will repeat. Lower lows, lower highs, leading to 19k and 18.9k, leading to further correction for the crypto market, especially for the altcoins. If you hold any altcoins that follow the crypto trend and they are not like Dogecoin or meme coins, for example, then you should be extremely careful, and you should not trade too much towards these days until we see the huge price movement. You will see that the volume keeps dropping in all the time frames, and we are preparing for something big. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.